Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. We are doing second number chapter, that is operation on numbers. And today we are going to do some more operation, multiplication. Second is division. You all are familiar with this both operation. It's so easy. So we directly start our exercise. Okay, all the best. So we are directly start for new exercise 2.2. In this exercise we will do multiplication and division. Question number second. It is said that multiply and write the product in words. Okay, so question is that multiply and express the product in words. Question number second. So we will multiply generally we multiply in such a manner. You all are familiar with this method. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 8 3s are 24 and 25, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so now we will multiply 0. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will multiply it by 4. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 5 4s are 20 and 1 21, carry 2, 8 4s are 32 and 34 and 4 1s are 4. So we will add this number. Now add the number 9, 5, 7, 3, 7, 3, 4. Okay, we will write this in words. 43 lakh 73,700 59. Okay, so this is the answer. Question number 6. Divide and find the quotient and remainder. You have to divide the number by 3001. Then you have to find out the quotient, means answer, and the remainder, the number which is remaining. Okay, so you are also aware with this method. We will divide the number by 3001. Okay, so there is 3 and there is 27. So 3 and 27 means we will do rough work. 9 0 0 9 3 27, 1 2 3 4 5. So you can divide it by 9, so you will get 27,009. Okay, now subtract the number. So this is 9, 9 is the remainder, so it's 0 0 0 0. Okay, and 0 will comes down, it is 6. Now the remainder number is 906. Okay, it is less than 3001, so you can say that it is your R. R means remainder. This is your Q. Q means quotient. Okay, so now you can write in such a manner. Your quotient is, that is 9, and your remainder that is 906. So this is your answer. Clear? We are moving to the question number 7. Now from question number 7 to question number 13 all are the word problem. I will give you some hint what you have to do and I will explain each questions also. Okay, so the question number 7 is that write the smallest number of 7 digit by using your digit is 2, 0, 3, 1 and 5, and then you have to divide the number by 819. Okay, so first we will write the 7 digit number. A number of 7 digit number which should be smallest. I have just underlined a number that should be smallest. Which one is the smallest number out of 2, 0, 3, 1 and 5? That is 0 is the smallest number, but we can't write 0 in the front of the number, so we will write just greater number than 0, that is 1. Okay, now 0 is the smallest number, we repeat this number 1, 2, 3, so it's 4 digit. Now what are the remaining digit? 2, 3 and 5. 4 plus 3, 7. So we will write in ascending order 2, 3, 5. Okay, so this is your smallest 7 digit number. Now count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is your 7 digit number and it is should be divided by 819. So what will you have to do? You have to divide the number 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 5. Then you will get the answer. Okay? I will read the question and then I will send you all the question in PDF file also. Student multiply 8315 by 189 instead of multiplying by 198. How much was his answer less than the correct answer? Actually इसको क्या करना था? 198 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, बट बाय मिस्टेक उसने 189 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, है ना? तो डिफरेंस क्या आया? उसने कितना जो आंसर आया उसका कितना कम आया? ओके, सो व्हाट विल वी डू? We will multiply 8315 by 198 and then again we multiply 8315 by 189 and we will subtract the both answer, then you will get the answer. So there is a simple method. 8315 multiplied by 198 minus 8315 multiplied by 189. Okay, so it should be actual multiplication, but he did the such type of multiplication, it was by mistake. So we will apply the mathematical formula, that is this number is the common in the both group. Okay, so we take the common, and what is the remainder? 198 minus 189. Okay, so we will subtract 189 from 198. So 8315 multiplied by 9, because 9 is the result of the subtraction. Okay, now we will multiply this number which we have learned. So you will get the answer 8315 multiplied by 9. So you will get the answer. Okay, so moving to the question number 9. The distance between two cities, suppose there are two cities A and B, and the distance between two cities are 42 kilometer and 875 meter. Okay, this is the distance. A bus makes 6 round trip. मतलब which start from A and then back to the A from B. So it is a complete round. That means how many rounds are there? How many? Total 12. Means 6 multiplied by 2. So it is 12. Okay, and now see how much distance does it covers in the month of mile. Okay, and as you know that there are 31 days in the month of May. So now you have to find out how much distance covered by the bus in the month of May. Okay, so it is very simple. What will we do? We will multiply 42.875 multiply 6 multiply 2. You can directly write 12 and multiply 31. Okay, so you will get the answer. Is that clear? It is very simple. So there is a word round trips. Round trips means there is a complete round. If it is start from A, then reach to B and then back to the A, that is a complete round. Okay, so it means 42 kilometer and 875 meter, and bus again will be covered same distance from B to A, so it is a complete round. So that is why we multiplied it by 12. Okay. So now we are moving to the question number 10. The diagram is given. First I will explain the question. A tank contains 975 liter and 800 ml water. There is a water tank and the total water is 975 liter and 800 ml. Okay, find the maximum number of jugs that can be filled if each jug can hold 3 liter and 500 ml. So you have to find the number of jugs. Okay, so this is a big amount, it is a small amount, so you have to find the number of jugs. So it's very simple, you have to just divide it 0.800 by 3.500. Okay, so you will get the answer. Clear? So as you know that we can write in such a manner 975.800 upon 3.500. Point is removed by point. Okay, so it is cancelled. 0 is cancelled by 0, 0. Now you can write 9758 divided by 35. You will get the answer. Okay, you have to go. Now we are moving to the question number 8. Question number 11. Sorry. A cloth merchant has an order to supply 13,000 meter cloth. Okay, he got an order that you have to supply this amount of meter cloth, and he has 145 rolls of cloth. He is having 145 rolls. Okay, so each rolls is having 85 meter and 50 centimeter cloth. How much he need to buy more? More means you have to multiply this both and subtract it from this. So first of all you have to multiply 85.50 multiplied by 145. So you will get an answer and subtract it from the answer which you get. Okay, suppose it is A answer, then you will get the answer. Is it clear? It is very simple. You have to multiply this both number, then you will get an answer. Okay, and then subtract it from 13,000. Okay, so it's so easy. So question number 13. Ranjan has 1200 mango trees in a garden. Ranjan is a person, he is having a garden, and there are 1200 mangoes tree, not mango. Okay, in a year he estimates that 720 mangoes were produced by each tree. Each tree produced number of mangoes are 720. He packed 500 mangoes in a box. Okay, so how many boxes did he use for packing all mangoes? So you have to find out the number of box, how many boxes you need to pack the total mangoes. A truck loaded number of boxes is 432 boxes, and then you have to find the number of the trucks he needed. So this is your homework, okay, and please try to solve it. If you find problem, you can ask me. So now it's a time of homework. It's a very clearly written. Do all sums of exercise 2.2. If you find any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so all the best.